We are at the lake house and it is absolutely beautiful. And we are gonna go to the lake now.
Dogs.
And now we are being surrounded by ducks.
One dude is just
Oh
running
my
from three of
God.
them right now. Look, he's running from three of them because they're trying to take him from us.
Oh, that's awful. That's duck bullying. That is. Okay, I worked my way into the hot tub and having a beverage, hiding from my family. People, I just got home from our last vacation of the summer and I got home to lots of Wish and Joom and Aliexpress goodies. So I'm going to dive in and start looking. I actually expected more than this, but unless, you know, well, it was only a couple days that I was gone, but 4 days, I think, to be exact. But I just kind of thought there'd be a lot more, because I usually get 2 packages a day. Oh, yay! I got this from Aliexpress. And I bought 20 of these. And these are for when I sell my hand sanitizer, those little mini ones. I'm going to include this with it. I thought I would just like hang it from the bag, and I think I did a video on how I packaged them for the craft fair, so I'm just going to also include this, which, as everyone knows, you put the hand sanitizer inside and you can attach it to a backpack because school is starting and germs will fluctuate. Or anyone could put this on, you know, whatever kind of bag they want, but you know, usually kids and teachers like to carry these around, nurses or whatever. So yeah, I paid $19 for 20 of these, and I'll check them over later. But I have to say, so far I've started ordering from Aliexpress because of Laurie. Hey Laurie! And boy oh boy, there was a whole world I missed out on, but now I know about it. Okay, here's the next one, and this was $3 or $2.87. Why such an odd number? I don't know. Oh, these are the bookmarks. I got these from... Where did I get these from? Where did I get these from? Was it AliExpress? No, these are from Joom. Okay, these are a lot smaller than the ones I make, but they are tinier. They come with the bead dangle, but what I thought I would do was add more bling to it, because you know, these are small. These are much, and again, I know I did a video on my other bookmarkers, so I thought I would jazz these up a bit and kind of, you know, repurpose it. And it says believe, believe, all little inspirational things. But these are kind of like half the size of the ones that I make, but it's okay. I'm gonna do something and, you know, make it my own. So got these. Now again, I don't order from Joom a lot, but I should, because it's free shipping. What is this? This is, I think, the same thing. I think these are the same thing because I bought like 6 of them. But I should, because with Wish, sometimes, you know, you find something that's for like $2 and then the shipping is like 20. All right, I'm exaggerating, but the shipping is quite a lot. So sometimes Wish isn't always, you know, the better bargain. And I bought these 3, and these say, do these say believe too? They all say believe. So I got, sorry, I'm all over the place, a green one with some like peridot or, you know, that brown stone, pink and white and black, and purple, pink, and blue. Yeah, I did the same thing. So I got 6 of these. These are cute. I mean, they are nice. I could do something with them to make them a little bit more than what they are. So I am happy with that. So Joom, actually, my Joom orders actually make it to my home, unlike my Wish orders, which I find strange. Okay, this I got from, I don't know. It says China. It could be Wish or Joom. I don't know the trick in figuring that out. I know Wish always says Wish on it, but... Okay, yes. Oh no, these I got, no. Okay, these I got from Aliexpress. Because I remember when I bought all those purses, I was so worried I wasn't going to have enough. So I bought these. Now these do not have the snap, for the snap button. These are just the plain, these can be like makeup bags or little, you know, purse pouches when you go out and you don't want to take everything for your, like, just your phone and, you know, your keys or something, and just, you know, the essentials, you know, your debit card. So I bought these. I bought it in black, blue, pink, and this cream color. And I'm going to do the same thing with these. I'm going to put the purse dangles. Don't know where I'm going to put it though, because the other ones that came had something here. So this I'm going to have to try and figure out. But these were only on Aliexpress, 88 cents each. So anyway, okay. But I still have to figure out all these, because like I said, Marianne and I have the craft fair coming up, and I have to see which ones don't sell, and those I'll put on Etsy and whatever. Okay. Happy with all of that. Alrighty, next is, this is from, I don't know, it doesn't say. I guess, I'm assuming if it doesn't say, it's from Aliexpress. If it's from Wish, it'll say Wish. Oh no, these are from Wish. Yeah, because I only buy these from Wish. Oh, so I finally got some. That's great. Because I have been waiting for, I had put in 3 orders for these purses, okay? Now this is white, and this is another white one. But I put in 3 orders, and each order had 6 items, okay? I only got that last order that I did a video on, where I got the 2 reds and the 2 blacks. Oh no, the 2 reds and the 2 orange, whatever. But the others were missing. So I contacted Wish, and they said it says delivered and blah, blah, blah. But it did Wish, and they said it was delivered. I said, I realize that. And, you know, we go back and forth with the contact, blah, blah, blah. So it says delivered, didn't come here. It obviously went to the other place. So I have to reorder everything again, which I really am not happy about. So at least I got these 2 white ones that I could, you know, have for my craft fair. All right. So that. And the last one, but not least, because I know I'll be having some more stuff. Oh, okay. I bought these little notebooks, and I got these little notebooks on Joom. And I thought these are so cute. I bought 20 of them, I think. They're really tiny, but super, I can't talk today, I'm so tired. Super adorable. 5 come in each. These are so adorable, and they come in all different little patterns. And I'll just open up one and show you guys. And I was thinking of doing like a traveler's notebook or something with these, you know, something tiny. So here's this one, and the yellow one with all like the little fall colors, and this one like peaches. Sorry, I have a ton of kids in my house. And green. So that is it. That is all the stuff that came when I got home. So I put that all together to show everyone one last look. The mini books, the 2 pouches, and I'm still waiting for 55 million more. These, which I have to figure out what I'm going to do with. These, which I am going to do something, jazz it up with these bookmarkers. And my, God help me, it was hard when there were toddlers and babies, but teenagers are just, I can't anymore. All right, and these, which I got for $19, I got 20 of them. The soap hand sanitizers. Okay, so these are the goodies that I got. I'm sure there'll be more tomorrow. And that's that. So I want to say hello, everyone, again. I'm back, but I'm going to take a nap now. And, well, first do my laundry and clean everything from our vacation, and then take a nap. All right, guys. Have a blessed, blessed Thursday. Bye.